question from exercise 2.3. Okay, I know linear equation is very simple topic and you are able to do this. Okay, now 2x minus 1 equal to 14 minus x, right? So what we have to do? 2x here as it is, minus x will transfer on that side, it will change into plus x, right? Minus 1 will transfer on that side, it will become plus 1. Okay, 14 as it is, minus 1 will transfer on that side, right hand side, it will become plus 1 and minus x is plus x. Now what? 2x plus 1x. How many x here? 2x plus 1x is 3x equal to 14 plus 1 is 15. Now 3 is in the form of multiplication, so change into division. X is equal to 15 upon 3. Now 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. That means